Before I show the interface, let me explain quickly what Tech Shadow is actually running on. Shadow uses Zama's FHEVM for encrypted logic, the Relayer SDK to handle encrypted operations behind the scenes, and the gateway for proof verification. Here's what this means in simple terms. When you create a poll, your poll data gets encrypted. When someone votes, the vote gets encrypted. While voting is open, nobody, not even you, not even Shadow, not even the blockchain validators can see what was voted. Only after the poll ends, the relayer decrypts the final tally and publishes a verifiable result. This is the part traditional systems can't do. Usually you either trust a server, a team, or a TEE. With FHE, you trust math and public verification. So Shadow never touches user data in plain text. Everything stays encrypted end to end. All right, let me show you how Shadow looks. The first thing you'll notice is the design. Shadow uses a glass morphism layout with a silk background, glowing navigation indicators, and animated cards fully responsible with clean mobile view to easily interact on all devices. I wanted it to feel clean and modern, but also calm. Because if you've ever used most on-chain tools, you know they can feel chaotic. Shadow is built to feel like a proper product, not a prototype. Here's the navigation bar with my social accounts there, so make sure to give me a follow for more updates. Let's start by creating a poll. Here you can set your poll title, add multiple choices, choose whether it's public or private, and set the closing deadline. Public polls automatically show up on the Discover page. Private polls generate a secure clipboard-protected link, so only people you share it with can access it. So let me type a simple one. I'll add the choices, pick a short deadline so we can demo the reveal, and hit Publish Vote. Now when I press Submit, the encrypted payload gets sent through the relayer, which generates the encrypted poll contract and returns the poll reference ID. This whole thing happens without exposing any details to Shadow or to the chain. Next, let me show you Discover. This page pulls all public polls currently happening. It's meant to work kind of like a feed. You can filter, scroll, share polls to Farcaster or X. Anything public here can be voted on as long as the vote is still open. Shadow's sharing system is built directly into the UI. You can tap to post on Farcaster or copy a link to share anywhere else. For private polls, none of this appears. That's link only to copy and share internally. One of my favorite features is the diagnostics panel, because in most voting systems, you can never really verify what's happening behind the scenes. Here we have Connected Wallet Info Network, Relayer SDK status, poll status, encryption state, and the countdown to reveal. This lets auditors or transparency freaks verify that everything is behaving correctly before decrypting final results. Okay, now let me vote on the poll I just created. I'll open it, choose Yup, and click Submit. Again, this vote is encrypted locally using Zama's FHE primitives, sent through the relayer, validated, and stored as ciphertext. The chain doesn't know the choice. Shadow doesn't know it. Even the poll owner doesn't know it until the reveal window passes. Now, once the poll closes, the owner gets a reveal button. This doesn't show individual votes. It doesn't break anonymity. It simply decrypts the aggregated tally using the relayer and posts the final numbers on-chain with ZK and FHE proofs. And there it is, the final scoreboard completely decrypted only after the deadline and verified by the relayer proofs. This is exactly the behavior traditional voting systems try to hack around. Shadow does it natively thanks to FHE. So that's Shadow. A clean end-to-end encrypted voting app, powered by Zama, built to show what real privacy actually looks like when it leaves research and becomes a usable tool. Shadow is only the beginning. This model works for DAOS unions, boards, whistleblower votes, student councils, hackathon judging, civic trials, and so much more. Anywhere privacy matters, anywhere timing matters, Shadow makes it simple. If you want to try the beta or want to give feedback, my DMs are open. I'm shipping this with the hope it becomes a template for more encrypted apps built on Zama. Thanks for watching.